This video will provide the basic steps required in creating the standard ALDOT title sheet. In the video Create Workset properties were explored. Please visit this video to get a better understanding of the workset properties that are applied to the title sheet in this demonstration. The workset should also be created for the project before attempting to create the project title sheet. To get started, launch OpenRoads Designer and navigate to the newly created workset. The folder is Project Design, Roadway, Plans Assembly, and the design file is the ALDOT ANSI Project Title Sheet. The design file will open in the sheet model. Note that the project information, such as state project number, fiscal year, and so forth, has been populated based on the workset properties. Also, the description and the county has been added to the sheet automatically. The design designation block we see here is a microstation table that can easily be edited and adjusted if needed. To add the information, simply select the text in the text editor to open, allowing editing. I'm going to start by editing my ADT. I'm now going to add my speed, and that's done. The next thing I'm going to do is edit my index, and I'm simply going to select the modify element from microstation. I'm going to select my leader, and my project is located in Hale County, so I'm just going to move my leader to Hale County. And continuing my edits, for existing bridge, required bridge, and equation exception, edit those that are applicable to the project. If there are no required bridges for this project, move the table and its legend to the left outside of the sheet boundary. These are tables, so they can be edited by simply selecting the field, and the text editor opens, allowing editing. As before, these tables can be adjusted and additional rows can be added if required. Here, I have populated my existing stations. However, there are no required bridges, so I am going to simply move my text For aesthetics, I will simply move equation exceptions up. Now I will bring in my reference map for my project. I'm going to navigate to the default model. I'm going to verify my coordinates. My current coordinate system is Alabama East Zone, but I know that this project is Alabama West, so I am going to make that adjustment before bringing in my map. I'm going to navigate to Attach Tools, Raster Manager, File, Attach, and Bing Maps. At General, I'm going to change my priority to -500. This will ensure that my map is always in the back. My design graphics are superimposed on the map. I'm going to select Attach. I'm going to right click on Bing Map. I'm going to select Bing Map Layer and make sure that Road is selected. I'm now going to close and fit. To zoom to my project area, which is Greensboro within Hale County. I'm now going to navigate to my title sheet model. And to place my map on my title sheet, I'm going to select Models. I'm going to select Default, and I'm going to drag and drop my map. Add attachment method recommended. Select OK, and left click. I'm going to close my model, and I'm now going to center my map. I'm going to navigate to References. I'm going to double click on my title sheet. I'm going to ensure that the model is default. I'm going to modify the scale to something much larger, such as 1 to 3000. I'm going to change my line nesting to no nesting, and OK. Centering the map may take a bit, so please be patient. I have located Greensboro, so I'm going to select Move Reference, and I'm simply going to move my Bing map into my sheet map area. I'm going to right click to release. Now I need to clip my map to my boundary. So I'm going to right click, clip boundary. Notice I have a prompt to identify clipping element. I'm going to select my boundary. My map is now clipped. I'm going to close my reference and perform my final edits. In our final edits, we want to ensure that the map pointers match the legend. If there are no bridges, then remove the map bridge callout. We do have an existing bridge, so I'm going to use microstation modify. I'm going to modify the pointer. I'm now going to edit my callouts. I do have an existing bridge. I'm also going to edit my leader for my begin project. As before, just going to double click to edit my project station. And you do the same for the begin work, and end project. I'm going to move my end station because I want to place a directional arrow for State Street. I'm going to begin by selecting place note, and I'm going to select my label plan alignment name, and I'm just going to draw an arrow for State Street. I'm now going to select place text. Place your directions where needed. My final step is to add my population and census. So I'm going to select place text. Now you'd probably want to adjust the text here and just do so as needed.